Hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Angela Allen, and this is my third year here at Central Community College, where I study business technology. I'm a full-time mom of three teenage boys, they're 17, 15, and 14. I work full-time, and I go to school full-time. Yes, I'm a little crazy and a little nuts. But let me get me started on why I chose business technology. I chose it because I was once given a job as an administrative assistant, and I loved it. I felt really good when I checked all the paperwork and made sure it was done correctly, made sure everything was signed where it needed to be, and I filed it correctly. I got that place really organized. Unfortunately, due to health reasons, I had to leave. Once I got better, I started looking at new jobs as an administrative assistant. And I was interviewed. Unfortunately, I did not get the job. They told me that the only reason why I didn't is because the other person had more experience. I decided right then and there that wasn't going to be me again. I was going to be the one with more experience. That year, I enrolled here at Central Community College and got started on my degree. And let me tell you, the road has not always been easy. I have had to take a few classes more than once, and there has been a lot of late nights. But what motivates me is after this semester, I will have my degree, or sorry, I apologize. I will have my diploma, which I'm really excited about. And then it's only one more year, and then I will have my associate's degree. So that's a huge step in my life. I'm so excited about that. I keep on talking to my 17-year-old son about, because we would both be graduating high school, or we would both be graduating at the same time. And I think my motivation is really wearing off on him because he's decided he wants to graduate before me. He wants to graduate at midterm, and he's going to. My kids are my driving force, though. I want to show them that with hard work, it will pay off for you. I still get asked the question, though, where do you want to work when you grow up? I don't know. I can't, I always tell them, I don't know. I don't know what I want to be when I grow up. I know I want to work in a professional environment where I still have room to grow, but I would love to be an executive assistant. I think something about an executive assistant, it just sounds amazing to me. I would even love to be an administrative assistant. I'm very proud of myself. I am. I have come a long ways. I just know that it takes a lot to be a mom, to work full time, and to go to school full time. It's hard, it's not easy. But my kids are my driving force, and I will get this done for them. Thank you.